This video is about the replacement of the stock DOMETIC 300 plastic toilet with a brand new DOMETIC ceramic 310. The reasons why you'd want to do this are basically it's just a better toilet than the stock ones that come on travel trailers when you get them, and it's a pretty straightforward, easy install. You get a ceramic base versus plastic, and a wooden toilet versus plastic. So, and a slow descending toilet seat as well. So, the first step you got to do basically is relieve any pressure you have in the system. There's no pressure here, so, and get rid of any antifreeze that you got. This toilet's never been used, so if you're gonna do a an upgrade, it's good to do it when the toilet's brand new. You know, it's totally clean, it's never been used, so it's a great time to do it. First things first, you have to take a flathead screwdriver or a little pry screwdriver and pry off both of these caps from either side of the toilet. It's so simple. There's really, everybody can do this upgrade. You have the technical ability of 0. You can do this. So pry those off on both sides. So the next thing you want to do is disconnect the water line. It's totally easy. Get a few rags, put them underneath where the water line is, and then just unscrew it, just like that. Some fluid might come out, obviously, like that. Boom, done. It's literally a no-brainer. So just keep that there, and the next step's going to be undoing the 2 bolts. So take the bolts off. It's a 7/16 wrench. If you have a ratcheting wrench, then all the better. But once you get them loose, you can just peel them off. I'm not sure if the new toilet comes with this hardware, so I'm just gonna keep this here off to the side. You do the same to the other side. So you take the 2 bolts off, and there you go. That's what's left. You've got the toilet flange and the toilet ring, which is like totally brand new. So I think the new toilet comes with one of those rings. So I will probably just use the new ring. You got your 2 bolt flanges, and for some reason there's some liquid here, a little liquid. So just clean that up. That's all antifreeze. Keep your rag underneath the hose in case something comes out, and you're basically good to go to put the new toilet on. So there's the new toilet beside the old toilet. They're pretty much identical. The 310 is slightly longer than the old 300. Doesn't look like by much, so they're supposed to be a direct replacement. So yeah, that's the unboxing. I'm just going to put the old one back in the box. I'm going to put it up on internet for sale. I don't know if someone wants a brand new replacement. It's never been used before, so but yeah. So the only really big difference is with the DOMETIC 310 is that it has these little swirly holes, so when you flush it creates a swirl in the toilet bowl, and it has a slow closing seat, so which is a good thing if you're instead of slamming it shut. Other than that, it's exactly the same, and it has a ceramic bowl versus plastic on the other one. So the only thing you have to do is make sure the gasket is installed on the bottom of the base. It has a lettering that says this side down, so it's idiot proof, kind of like the Claymores, where it says this side toward enemy, so you don't really have a choice but to put it that way. You just put that on, and then we're just going to mount it back on the base and put the screws and washers on, bolts, and we're good to go. Reinstall the bolts, and then put the caps on, and then you put the caps on the back, and rehook the water up, and you're done. And voila, one installed DOMETIC ceramic 310 toilet. Good to go.